Let's also get in Sacchitanand Uttekar for a quick technical check on the market. Sachi, we did see the Nifty open well, but it's come off the high. So, it provided perfect place for bears to go ahead and short at a gap up. Do you think we are looking at any sort of support in the near term, or do we go down into the red because it's expiry day? There is a fair amount of volatility expected.
Good morning, Mangalam. Good morning, Nigel. I think it's a classic option writing day. In fact, the kind of up move that we have seen, Nifty has a certain resistance at 17,050, 17,080 kind of a zone where its 5-day exponential moving average is still trending. And on the lower side, 16,880 is this very strong support zone wherein its 200-day exponential moving average was placed. So yesterday we saw an inverse hammer formation after 5 days of decline, which is again a positive sign. I think that positive effect was evident in today morning gap up. But I think this particular range could hold on. I think 17,050 would be an ideal level wherein some profits should be booked. And on the lower side, I think redeployment of longs should be considered once Nifty starts trending near to 16,900 marks. So I think it will be a classic option writers day today. We may see Nifty, oscillating within this particular range of 17,050, 60 on the higher side, and on the lower side, 16,900, 880 could be a dependable support. So we don't see any immediate trade setup when it comes to Nifty. When we look at Bank Nifty, I think it is very evident that 38,200 is the resistance in the first half. Unless we don't see that particular resistance getting breached, we may not see Bank Nifty scaling towards 38,500. Probably we a decline towards 37,800 would be a good idea wherein some longs could be committed. So right now there's no trade on Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. I think we need to be more stock specific throughout the day. So it's a wait and watch when it comes to indices.
Okay, all right. What about individual stocks, Sachi? What are your recommendations?
Nigel, two stocks on our radar. First is Titan on the sell side. If you look at the structure, after 4 weeks of consolidation, we are seeing a bearish engulfing formation on the weekly scale. It has breached below the 2600 key support level, which was holding throughout this particular series. If you look at the 5 and 20 crossover on its daily scale, the moving averages have tilted down. So probably we may see this particular bearish trend continue in the next few weeks as well. So we are expecting a level close to around 2480 to be seen on Titan. So recommendation is to go short in the October series, keep a stop loss at 2610. And on the long side, Divislab, the structure has been very strong. Despite of the weakness in the market, this particular stock was scaling higher. On the daily scale, we have seen a classic breakout from a rounding bottom formation, which is indicating a pattern target of around 3820. Long positions should be deployed in Divislab. The stop loss should be placed at 3710.
All right, take that point.